Yo, what to do, YouTube? LOC in the building, man. Well, I ain't gonna lie, this bitch so hard though. Like, come on, bro. Don't even play like your boy ain't snapped.
Disclaimer,
man.
all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What to do, YouTube? I'm just trying to get some good pictures right now with the cats that should be around. So I can post it for the ground. Y'all make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram, Life of Card, with 2 eyes at the end. L-O, I'm talking about LOC. But yeah, I'm trying to say Willow, LOC, y'all. Out loud. Oh yeah, and I had thought about it too, y'all. A lot of y'all be wanting to ride with me and stuff, so I came to the conclusion, if you want to ride with me, you know what I'm saying, you can have a chance to like be a part of like my everyday riding and stuff like that. DM me on Instagram, tell me what kind of car you got, you know what I'm saying, and maybe we can do something, you know what I'm saying. And maybe you'll be somebody who ride with me, but yeah. Follow me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram. This is my new YouTube Instagram. It's man, I keep fucking up. But yeah, follow me on Instagram. This is my new Instagram. DM me, tell me what kind of car you got, and maybe you can be riding with me. I'm recruiting. I'm gonna be recruiting people now. You know what I'm saying? To ride with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put a crew together. It's gonna be a LOC car club, LOC crew. You know what I'm saying? Whatever, however you wanna put it. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, Life of Card with 2 eyes at the end. LIFEOLCARRI. C-A-R-I-I. Oh yeah. I'm in the A with it, man. What it is? We in the A with it, man. What you say, little Art?
You already know what's up. We on it.
Saying terrorizing the A, you know what's going on.
The city ain't safe when we in it.
Bro, there.
Everything a liability.
Oh, God.
Look at that big bird.
Don't take everything literal, y'all. Fucking around, we joking around. We love Atlanta. This shit lit. This shit look beautiful at night, oh my God. You say you did what out the way, Art? Pair of shoes, $12.50. You want to buy something you like? All you gotta do is get in with her. Bad man holding all the bags, man. Security, man. Oh God. Hey y'all, what if I bring this to the channel? This a cop, y'all? Is this a cop or what? The color on it hard too. What you say, Art? You like that? You like that? You know that bit right there. Ooh. What? Yeah, if it's 200, you know we need everything 2 and up. You feel me? What y'all say though? Let me know. They got these motherfucking jailbreaks out here, y'all. All these are jailbreaks, y'all. Even the slim bodies. If y'all don't know, they came out with the slim body jailbreaks and all that for the last call year. So you really got every option. See, that's a scat right there. But all these are Hellcat slim bodies, slim body, and that wide body motherfucker. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? We up here at Dodge, man. You know what I'm saying? It was a Demon 170 sitting outside over there too, but yeah. You know what I'm saying? You got the red over there sitting lovely. Somebody parked in front of it, probably taking pictures of it or some shit. Got that 170 in here, man. Got 3 of them in here. Got them Demon 170s in here with that red eye thing right there in the corner, man. Wow, that bit hard. You know the grind don't stop, man. We in there big getting some more work done to the Charger, as always. Finna get some underglows added. They getting a wide body kit added to their Charger. That bit was not a wide body, but now they getting one. It's a cat right here too, y'all. them tips getting changed real soon, man. Next, I think this gonna be a part of this video. Nah, it's gonna be the next video. No. I'm gonna add it to this video. Matter of fact, I'm gonna add it to this video. With the tips getting installed and the underglow, yes sir. Through the north, yeah. Hey, Ashley, hey, stand outside that door. Hey, record it coming out. Huh? What?
Okay, I'm sorry. All right, text me. All right, love you. All right. I got another friend you ain't want to hot down on, but what you said?
What?
Go ahead. Wait.
I said that. Yo, what to do, YouTube? LOC in the building, man. Y'all know what's going on. Got that murder cat out, man. Yes, sir. Boy, I ain't gonna lie, this bitch so hard, though. Like, come on, bro. Don't even play like your boy ain't snapped, man. Don't play like your boy ain't snapped, man. That bitch cold, bro. That's what's crazy. I seen it one time.
It's like my third one I've seen.
I seen it one time, because I know the dude. That bitch hard. White bag.
Yeah, I know.
So what's the difference? Is it any faster than a race? That's the cat. This is the only thing like the They be hard as fuck. And my boy just got that bitch got the paper tag on there. Start playing. Yes sir, that boy snap. They got a trunk with the stars in the trunk. I ain't never seen that. Look, that boy got the motherfucking stars in the door, bitch. Look, stars all in the ceiling. Stop playing. Lighting trim. Yeah, they be hard. Benz. So y'all found the gas station, bro. I almost got stranded, dog. I almost got stranded. 70 balls for gas, but man, listen, dog. I ain't had no other gas station to go to. I couldn't find none. Every gas station closed. But I found this bit off the road, and someone just told me try to use my credit card here. I use my card, man. So we good, and I was finna get back on the road. All right, YouTube, what's up, man? Look, this a camera that I just bought. This the camera that like I've been seeing people use lately. You know what I'm saying, for they YouTube videos or Instagram content with their Hellcats and stuff. This camera was like $400 and some, and the stick that you buy with it with the suction cups was like another $100. So, and then the memory card like $50. So it's like $550 out the door. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all this another improvement to the channel. I can't wait to see how these videos finna turn out. Be ready for lit videos, y'all. All right, what's up, YouTube? I got the underglow kit already. Got the car propped up. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm doing this myself, so watch how the outcome look, cause y'all already know y'all gonna want me to do something to y'all's too. So stay tuned.
At me all crazy. They followed me out to the parking lot and shit. So I told her to get in the car. I'm like, man, I ain't gonna care. I seen Jet Clutcher type shit. He might pop my ass, but shit, fuck it. Like, I'm finna grab both of their ass. She was like, where your gun at? I'm like, shit, I left it at the house. Shit.
No, that was like.
Yeah, I was lacking. I had left my shit at the high. Cause I was scared, like the police were hot as fuck type shit. I'm like, man, I don't know if I want a chance it or not. Like, cause I know she not finna. Well, she could have said it's her shit, cause it was clean type shit. It was in the nigga Simeon name. Oh shit.
All right, cool. This the part of be y'all don't see, my boy. I'm in the lab right now. No, I don't just pay niggas to work on my Hellcat. I will work on my own shit. That's some professional shit too. dirty as fuck right now. And that bit popped up. Just gonna tell it all right here. Back over a little bit. Stop playing. Stop motherfucking playing, man. Let me turn the lights on too. Yeah, you can see that big curtain, man. Yeah, stop playing, man. Hey, get on walk around type shit. Oh, let me let the car down. Hey, show them this part right here, man. I really get to it, man. I really get to it. That alarm might go off again. Oh no, I think I had the door unlocked, so it shouldn't go off. Get them a walk around with it. Oh, dang, how it looks. Y'all see them baby Hellcats right there?
No twinning.
This shit hard. Fuck. Stop, man. Red outside,
You know.
Till we pull up at a nigga shit, man. I got everything zip tied and glued. Good as fuck, too. Shit coming out this bitch. Yeah, man, I got this shit done at a so-called professional shop right here, man. This shit was trash as fuck. Had to get my money back and all.
Yeah, man. Bad business.
Bad business, I swear to God. Man, one of them motherfucking workers was at that bit. Hide in the kite. He the one did the underglows. I found the other problem, bro. This nigga is, I ain't gonna lie, that nigga slow, bro. He wrapped the whole fucking cord around the other one. This one, now that one was already toasted a little bit because it's touching it. He took the other one on the other side and wrapped it around the whole damn pipe. Like, do this nigga not know that this is a damn exhaust, bro? Like, what the fuck is wrong with him? That don't make no sense, bro. I just had to show you that, bro. Did the other shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, that is some bad ass work. Yeah, man. Y'all tap in. Y'all need y'all underglows done. Tap in if y'all need y'all hood done. I do that shit. The clear hood, underglows, kill switches. I do them kill switches too. But yeah, stop playing, man. Tap in. But it be hard. Stop playing. That be hard as fuck, y'all. Ain't gonna cap. But yeah, I did this myself. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, we got that motherfucking 360 camera on there. Stop playing. Y'all tap in. Stop playing. Alright, so what's up, YouTube? I just cleaned the cat up. That's a tire cleaner that's sitting on the tires right now. I'm just letting it soak on the tires because they was dirty, but I cleaned the rims and I cleaned the car. That's just a little bit of wetness and I gotta dry out. Hit it with the towel. But yeah, let me know if I did good, y'all. I'll play with a little art, yeah. Oh God. What to do, YouTube? I'm just trying to get some good pictures right now with the cats to be around. So I can post it for the ground. Y'all make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram, Life of Card, with 2 eyes at the end. L-O, I'm talking about LOC. But yeah, I'm trying to say Willow, LOC, y'all. Out loud. YouTube, but y'all ain't ready for them lit videos, boy. But we finna have some lit videos. Yes, sir. What these videos finna be lit with the cat, man? Y'all playing, boy. I know what the fuck going on, man.
Yeah, alright.
A lot of y'all be wanting to ride with me and stuff, so I came to the conclusion, if you want to ride with me, you know what I'm saying, you can have a chance to like be a part of like my everyday riding and stuff like that, DM me on Instagram, tell me what kind of car you got, you know what I'm saying, and maybe we can do something, you know what I'm saying. And maybe you'll be somebody who ride with me, but yeah. Follow me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram. This is my new YouTube Instagram. It's and I keep fucking up. But yeah, follow me on Instagram. This is my new Instagram. DM me, tell me what kind of car you got, and maybe you can be ride with me. Feel me? I'm recruiting. I'm finna be recruiting people now. You know what I'm saying? To ride with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna put a crew together. It's gonna be the LLC car club, LLC crew. You know what I'm saying? Whatever, however you wanna put it. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, Life of Car with 2 I's at the end, LIFEOFCARRI, CARRII.